Good afternoon, please. It's a good afternoon here in Uganda, Africa, please. We have our beef here. We are going to prepare our beef, which is boiled beef. We are not going to fry our beef. So let's prepare our boiled beef, please. Here are the ingredients. Here are the ingredients. We have onions. We have Irish potato. We have carrots. We have spring onions. There is green pepper. We have parsley stems. The parsley leaves, we are going to garnish our beef with parsley leaves after. So please, let's include our parsley stems in our beef. So stay tuned and watch this video until the end. For those who are new to our channel, please, the channel is all about cooking. We have a variety of recipes on this channel, so you go and check us, please. We have a lot of varieties, so stay tuned and watch this video until the end. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome. The returning ones, we really appreciate, please. We really appreciate for the love you're showing your girl. So continue supporting the girl so that the channel grows. Let's prepare our beef. It's a boiled beef, no cooking oil. We have few ingredients. We are not going to add in tomato, so let's cook our boiled beef together, please. Let's add in onions. We have ginger and garlic paste also, so stay tuned. This is lemon water, please. So we'll be adding these ingredients slowly step by step. Let's wait for the meat to boil, then we are going to add in other ingredients after. So stay tuned and watch this video until the end. Let's add in our ingredients, please. We are going to add in carrots. Let's add in carrots. Have here our green pepper. So let's add in water, please. Let's cook our soup. This is white stew. Our Irish in our soup. Please, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with us. Please, this is our soup. This is our soup, please. Please, as you can see, this is what we are going to enjoy. Our soup is ready. Thank you for staying with us. Please, for those who haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and the returning ones, we really appreciate for the love. Continue supporting the girls so that the channel grows. See you after grabbing our soup. We are going to so please, this is our soup. We are going to enjoy our soup. Please, you can serve our soup with matoke, ugali, sweet potato. There is chapati. So come we enjoy together, please, as we are going to enjoy it with chapati. See you.